Introducing Samsung's upcoming flagship Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung's most advanced Ultra series smartphone. A flat front design with symmetrical ultra-thin bezels. Centered punch-hole selfie camera for balanced viewing. Strong metal frame surrounding the body. Premium glass back panel. Front glass protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Rear glass also reinforced for durability. Dimensions carefully balanced for a large flagship form factor. Weight distribution designed for comfortable long use. Precision-cut individual camera rings. No camera island, a clean Ultra Series signature. Ergonomically placed power and volume buttons. USB Type-C port with speaker and microphone. Dual nano SIM support. IP68 water and dust resistance. A refined, durable, professional flagship design. A massive 6.8-inch display built for immersive viewing. Advanced dynamic AMOLED panel technology. LTPO technology dynamically adjusts refresh rate for efficiency. Display features up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Refresh rate drops automatically during static content. Quad HD Plus resolution for extreme sharpness. Over 500 pixels per inch for crystal clear detail. Modern, tall aspect ratio optimized for productivity. Full HDR10+ support for cinematic visuals. High brightness ensures excellent indoor visibility. Exceptional outdoor brightness under direct sunlight. Deep blacks and high contrast typical of AMOLED displays. Accurate color reproduction with wide color gamut. Excellent viewing angles from any direction. High-touch sampling rate for instant responsiveness. Always-on display shows essential information without unlocking. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Designed to resist everyday scratches. Uniform bezels enhance the premium look. One of the best smartphone displays Samsung has ever built. Now let's talk about what really powers the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Its performance. At the heart of this phone, Samsung uses its latest flagship-level processor. Depending on the market, it comes with latest released Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship chipset. This chip is built on an advanced fabrication process for better efficiency and heat control. You get a powerful multi-core CPU setup designed for both speed and battery efficiency. In real use, everything feels instant. Apps open fast and multitasking stays smooth. Whether you're gaming or editing videos, the performance remains consistently strong. The upgraded GPU handles graphics-heavy tasks with ease. Even during long gaming sessions, performance stays stable without sudden throttling. Samsung also improves thermal management to keep the phone cool under load. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with multiple RAM options for different users. The base model starts with 12 GB of RAM, which is already more than enough for power users. There's also a 16 GB RAM option for extreme multitasking and future-proofing. This phone uses high-speed LPDDR memory for faster data access. Storage options are equally impressive on the S26 Ultra. The base variant starts at 256 GB of internal storage. You can also choose a 512 GB version if you store lots of photos and videos. And for heavy users, there's even a massive 1 TB storage option. All variants use ultra-fast UFS storage, so file transfers feel instant. There's no micro SD card slot, so choosing the right storage size is important. In daily use, the phone feels powerful, smooth, and ready for anything. Overall, performance is exactly what you'd expect from an Ultra series flagship. Now let's get into one of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the cameras. This phone comes with a quad camera setup designed for both photography and videography. The primary camera uses a massive high-resolution sensor. You're getting a 200 megapixel main camera, which captures an incredible amount of detail. The large sensor size helps pull in more light, especially in challenging conditions. Optical image stabilization keeps photos sharp and videos steady. In daylight, photos come out extremely sharp with rich colors and wide dynamic range. Low-light shots benefit from the large sensor and Samsung's image processing. There's also an ultra-wide camera for capturing more of the scene. The ultra-wide camera uses a 12-megapixel sensor. It's perfect for landscapes, architecture, and group shots. Samsung includes dedicated telephoto cameras for real optical zoom. One telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom for portraits and close subjects. There's also a second telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Using these lenses together, you get Samsung's signature high-level space zoom. Even at high zoom levels, stabilization helps keep shots usable. Portrait mode delivers clean subject separation. Advanced stabilization keeps handheld videos steady. On the front, you get a high-quality selfie camera. It's great for selfies, video calls, and social media content. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra offers one of the most versatile camera systems on any smartphone. Performance is great, but it only matters if the battery can keep up. The Galaxy S26 Ultra packs a large 5,000 mAh battery. That's easily enough for a full day of heavy use. Thanks to the efficient processor and LTPO display, power consumption stays balanced. 60-watt wired fast charging gets you powered up quickly when you're running low. You also get 15-watt fast wireless and 4.5-watt reverse charging support. Connectivity is exactly what you'd expect from a flagship. The phone supports full 5G connectivity for ultra-fast mobile data. You get the latest Wi-Fi standard for faster and more stable connections. Bluetooth support ensures low-latency audio and strong wireless connections. Accurate GPS and global navigation systems make traveling easy. NFC support allows quick payments and smart accessories. The USB Type-C port handles charging, data, and accessories. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is fast, secure, and reliable. The S26 Ultra is packed with advanced sensors. Face unlock is also available for quick access. You get all essential motion and orientation sensors for daily use. The phone runs the latest version of Android 16. On top of that is Samsung's One UI, clean and feature-rich. Samsung also promises long-term software and security updates. Everything feels polished, smooth, and well-optimized. Taken as a whole, the Galaxy S26 Ultra delivers a complete flagship experience. It's built for users who want the best in display, performance, and cameras. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, powerful, refined, and future-ready.